Just got to use the same treatment as before. I ordered these syringes online. There's all sorts of them available. Anywhere you can see a little hole, and just inject it with the woodworm killer. So if there is anything still in there, then it will get to it. I would say that's probably everything. It does say, and I'm not really super keen on it, to drill some smaller holes to get into the frame as deep as possible, and this is my smallest drill bit. So yeah, I'm going to do some small holes and we'll see how that goes.